Okay, well, we're making this a little bit more secure. So I'm putting some screws. I don't know if you guys can see, there's like that right there is why I'm adding screws. Putting this thing on. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. But I need to figure out how to hook this mo trucker. Here we go. I put screws in these just to hold them down a little bit better. This little door here has a little latch so you can see inside. I put plywood on the front. We got a nice little latchy door. I got some little roosting bars. And then the nice little box there. Lots of space under here. Got a little handle, little latch. The other side looks the same. Two down. Framed out.